And Vibhav Kapoor of IL&FS says that 9650 to 9700 is acting as a strong resistance point for the Nifty, and crossing over from here could take the index to 10,000. He also adds that he is looking to actually shift part allocation to cash. Lawrence Belanco of CLSA also sees some near-term risks and says the Nifty could pull back to its 50-day moving average.
We had said in our earlier interaction that 9650, 9700 is a strong resistance, and the market needs to cross that to maybe reach 10,000, and that's what's been happening. So there might be some correction as things stand today, but obviously that correction is not going to be very deep. You could have a sort of sideways market. The fact does remain that the IT sector is passing through tough times. Because of the various reasons which have been discussed so many times. And I think this particular phase is going to last for quite some time because the whole model is changing. Digitization, cloud, etc. is something which was not part of the Indian model. And therefore, a lot of reinvention will have to be done. Some companies will succeed, some will not succeed. But the next few years, maybe at least 12 to 24 months, are still going to be tough for this sector.
A longer-term setup which remains bullish for the Nifty, and the key technical event was the break above the 8,800, 9,100 area earlier this year. Now that gives us upside targets starting at 10,300, but ultimately gives us an upside target of 12,000. So a very constructive longer-term setup for the Nifty. We look at momentum indicators to look at the speed and the rate of change of price over a period of time, and those indicators on the daily charts are showing us a deceleration of the trend. So very near term, yes, we can see the Nifty pull back. It should be a correction rather than a major reversal. If you look at Nifty in dollar terms relative to the MSCI World or relative to the MSCI emerging markets, we have seen the market break out of and the market, this was earlier this year, break out of a 12-month downtrend channel, so it has resumed its trend of relative outperformance. So we do see the Nifty as an outperformer relative to world and emerging markets.